Greetings to all of you. My name is Ankit Sharma. I teach Polity, International Relations, Governance and Essay at KSG. I'm here to give you an introduction about the PT Destinaire, which is a prelims focused program conducted by KSG. I feel that some of us have met previously during the PT marathon sessions. These were the day-long sessions in which we had dedicated each of the days of this course to the entire day sessions upon particular subjects. We had science and technology, environment, ecology, polity, economy, etc. All the subjects relevant for the PT examination were taken by the senior faculties of KSG. And building upon the PT marathon series, KSG is launching the PT Destinaire, which is a special focus program for Prelims 2024. The PT Destinaire has three dimensions to it. The first dimension is a classroom program. We have about 250 hours plus lectures to be taken in a classroom format, which are going to have two aspects into coverage. One is the conceptual refreshment, a conceptual revisiting of the ideas of the basic parts of the subjects. So, for example, if you have the basic structure doctrine in polity, we take a look at the conceptual idea of the basic structure. But we will not invest as much time as energy as a foundation classroom would do, but creatively and by effectively using very clear groomed examples, we'll communicate the concept of basic structure to you again. Right? So let's say in maybe 10 to 15 minutes, we should be able to communicate the entire idea of basic structure to you so that it refreshes and replenishes the ideas that you have been given previously, either in classrooms that you have attended or in the books that you have read, to get a kind of a cognitive activation of that concept. In addition to that, we'll take a look at the current updates which have used or which have reference to the basic structure doctrine. So, for example, in 2023, you have 50 years of the basic structure doctrine, and that is why the basic structure doctrine was much in news recently. In addition to that, you have the Janit Abhiyan case, in which the EWS quota, the 103rd Constitution Amendment Act, was upheld by the Supreme Court, in which again the question was whether 103rd Constitution Amendment Act violates the basic structure of the Constitution. You see, so what we're going to do is understand the basic structure doctrine very precisely and concisely, and then relate it with the current updates which have been in news for the last 15 months, making a comprehensive material to be discussed in the classroom with regard to all the topics in all the subjects which are relevant for the prelims examination. These are going to cover about 250 hours of classroom sessions, and these are all taken by the senior faculties of KSG. You have Rachit sir for history, Ravi Agrehari sir for science and technology, Ashish Vashisht sir for environment ecology, we have BM Panda sir for geography, we have Himanshu sir for economy. Polity is going to be taken by Raza sir and myself. These are the senior faculties of KSG who have themselves designed the aspects of this course. In addition to the classroom sessions, we will have multiple choice questions to be able to communicate information to you which may be relevant directly in answering questions of the prelims 2024. So we have about 4,000 plus MCQs, multiple choice questions, which are going to be given to you on the material that we will discuss in the class, and additional, which is going to be directly relevant as material which may appear in the 2024 examination. And the third aspect of this is a special emphasis upon the CSAT. Now, we all know the 2023 CSAT paper was a little bit of an alarm to everyone that CSAT preparation cannot be taken for granted. And therefore, within these 4,000 MCQs and 250 plus hours of classroom sections, we have a emphasis given on the CSAT paper under the guidance of Kapil sir and Shakil sir, who would be faculties for the CSAT discussion part. So these are the three dimensions of the PT Destinaire, and I welcome you to join the course and be able to attain this comprehensive and consolidated material, discussion and evaluation guidance from KSG. Thank you.